Iginiit ni Akbayan Party List Representative Barry Gutierrez na balanse ang pagtrato ng Kamara sa Freedom of Information Bill. Ayon sa mambabatas, mahalaga ang magiging papel ng panukala sa transparency at mabuting pamamahala na isinusulong ng pamahalaan. Si Ara Perez ang ating tagapagbalita.
Tiwala si Akbayan Party List Representative Barry Gutierrez na walang butas ang naipasang bersyon ng Freedom of Information Bill ng House Committee on Public Information. Para kay Gutierrez, balanse ang pagtrato ng panukala sa pagbibigay ng karapatan ng publiko sa impormasyon at pagsunod nito sa konstitusyon.
We're very proud and we're very confident na yung final version, which the committee saw fit to approve yesterday by a 10-3 vote, is reflective of this common consensus. It assures access to information. It upholds the constitutional and human right to information. But at the same time, it strikes a balance between legitimate state interests.
Ipinagmalaki ni Gutierrez na isa itong malaking ambag sa transparency at good governance na isinusulong ng pamahalaan. Kumpiyansa ang mambabatas na walang makalulusot dito, mula sa Pangulo hanggang sa mas mabababang opisyal at maging sa sangay hudikatura.
For instance, the President, the Vice President, members of Congress, justices of the Supreme Court, officials of constitutional commissions, hindi mo na kailangan hingin yung kanilang salin by filing a request. They will now be available online by legal mandate. Well, they really have no choice. It's a law which says that the Supreme Court has to upload on its own website the salins of the justices. So if they willfully refuse to implement that, they will be violating the law, and that will be a different conversation altogether.
Inaasahang sa gitna ng taong 2015 ay maisasabatas na ang naturang panukala. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Ara Perez.